Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here. So today I'm going to give you a few tips on gardening, because gardening is what everybody is doing, and certainly a lot of my patients are coming in with injuries that they've incurred because of incorrect posture, incorrect lifting in the garden. So today I'm going to give you an idea of how to move a heavy pot, because that's where most of the injuries are coming from. It's too much digging, and digging is sort of incorrectly with the wrong tools, but also trying to move a pot to put it somewhere else. So the wrong way to do it is to do this, because that is creating an incredible weakness in our backs. Our back is not that strong, and we're going to struggle to do it. So first tip, get someone to help you. Beth. So I have my wonderful able assistant Beth here, who's going to help me. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to work together as a team. So a good way of doing it, if you can, is kneel down with one leg. So Beth, join me.
Yeah.
Okay, and if your legs are strong enough, and if you don't have any knee injuries, then this is really good, because what you've got then is you've got your legs to help you. Okay, so either kneel. If you can't kneel, if you can squat, Beth, can you squat with me? Okay, so we can squat, right, and do it that way. Or, right, another way to do it is to basically sort of just move it slowly together like that instead of lifting it. So what we would do is we would do this, and we would just shuffle it like that to where we need it to go, okay? And we've upset the plant. That's that wasn't in the script. Okay, let me just put it back in. Okay, great. So that is a way of doing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate those particular ways. So let's do the first one. So we're like this, okay, and it's quite a heavy pot. So we're going to lift up, and we're going to use our legs. And then we're not going to twist. We're going to keep it nice and close together. So we're taking the weight, and we're going to move slowly, slowly, slowly to where we need to go. Now, if we need to turn, we're not going to twist, we're going to turn our feet together. So we're a solid sort of team doing that, okay? So if we take it back, okay, obviously the other way, and if we when we put it down, this is important, when we put it down, we can either go kneel as we were, or we squat down with it, okay? We do not, right, sort of just plonk it down with our backs like that. Again, that will hurt your back. The other way of doing it is if we sort of, again with our knees, we lift it up slightly, and we just shuffle like that, if it's really heavy. Another way that we mentioned was where we're kneeling. Obviously, you've got to make sure your knee's protected, and then we're just shuffling it along. We're shuffling it along to where we need it to go. There's no rush, there's no hurry, all right? Obviously, be careful not to destroy your plant like we have here. Take more care of your plants, but that is the way to move a pot, okay? And obviously make sure that you don't water it first, because the water is just going to add to the weight of the soil as well. Wait until you've moved it to where you want it to be before you water it, okay? And obviously, if you are going to repot it, or you're going to sort of put new soil into it, do that after you've moved it. I know it sounds silly to say that, and it sounds a bit like common sense, but you'd be amazed how many people will try to repot it, fill it up, water it before they try to move it, just adding to the original weight of the pot and the plant. So there's your tips for today. There'll be a lot more tips coming up. My wonderful, beautiful assistant Beth was amazing.
Thank you.
And all I want to say is keep tuned in to our channel, here at Beth Chiropractic Clinic. We're here to help you. Check out all our other social media channels, Facebook, social media, Instagram, all of that. And especially go to our YouTube channel. We've got some incredible videos on there. Do subscribe and follow us, and share this with your loved ones, because they need to protect their backs just as much as you do. So God bless you. Take care.